All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas, on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, in the mass plan community of Summerlin. So today we are here in the neighborhood called the Overlook, and this is plan 1, plan 2, and plan 3. Now we did a video tour on plan 3 and also a video tour on plan 2. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to view that one, I would highly encourage you to go ahead and, after watching this, click on the link in the description below, and also I might have it in the comments. So today we're going to be focusing on Plan 1. Now, Plan 1 here is 2,722 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. Now, there are 4 different elevations to pick and choose from. Elevation A is $905,000. Elevation B is $930,000, and Elevation C $930,000. Elevation D $909,000. Now, this is actually Elevation B. So the base price, the starting price, is $930,000. Color scheme number 6. No, that's not my vehicle. I don't know whose that is. So as you can see, there's a lot of things still need to be done. This is a brand new track. I believe they have about 94 units or lots available. Now what's going on here is they're gonna put some rocks here, and this is gonna look very decorative, very nice. So don't mind all the workers and stuff like that. But I want to get you guys in here. Now, this is a single-story home. You have about 15 different color schemes with this builder. There's a lot of upgrades and options that you can pick and choose from. Okay, as you can see, we have the 2-car garage, right? All right, we're gonna let these ladies go. Okay. All right, you guys have a good day now. All right, I mean, take a look at this architectural design. I definitely do love that. It's gorgeous. So as we enter the courtyard, as you can see, we have some nice pavers and river rocks around the border. These guys right now doing the landscaping here, hooking up the irrigation system. I definitely love the stone work here. Okay, and take a look at this. This is just really nice. Great job. You do have an option for this pivot door here. I think this door is 48, I think. Let me double check. I'm gonna walk it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3. I think it's a 40. Now, don't mind me. I definitely do like this layout here. I love how it's just nice and open. Wow, look at the reverse tray ceiling. Man, they changed up on the LED lights for sure. They used to have the recessed lighting. On this one, it pops out about like an inch. But you know what, let's start off back on this side here. Let's start off in the beginning. So I love how this hallway just pretty much opens up. Okay, that is really nice. I love the architectural design. That's what I love about this builder. Now this right here is your flex space. Definitely upgraded with the stack stone here, with the windows. Wow, look at this. Mount Charleston right there is gorgeous. There you go. Wow, is that a steel beam right there? Kind of give that industrial look. Like that. Let's take a look at the flooring here. So basically the flooring on this one is engineering wood here, it feels like. So we have a bedroom right down this way, so we're gonna head on here. So it looks like we have a full bath. I like how it transitions into the tile. Nice high 36-inch countertops. You've got nice full overlay cabinets with the aluminum drawers. Same thing, they are using the standard Petrofina on all 3 models here. You got the aqua tub. I love this tub, one of my favorite fiberglass tubs. I love the subway glass tiles. With these subway glass tiles, you need to really make sure that you line up the tiles good, and also the grout lines are just very hard. You're never going to get it perfect, and what I mean by that is, if you take a look, some grout lines are going to be thicker, some's going to be a little bit more heavier than others. I love this shroud. I believe these are called shrouds. I always forget the names of these, but I love that. Okay. HOAs, I believe it's 106, and the master 48. Scissors and lids is 1,000 a year. Okay. I love this color contrast. I see a lot of builders doing this now. Breaks up the monotony of the room, right? Now, one thing that I want you to do is, when it comes to your windows, okay, check all your windows. Unfortunately, this one is not open, okay, because they locked it, but yeah, they locked it. So they used to use Alpine, but they're no longer using Alpine. I'm not too sure what brand that is. I can't really see it, but let me know in the comments if you see it. These are all fiberglass. Not fiberglass, but what do you call vinyl? Okay, let's see here. With the glass, you definitely need to check it because the warranty is on this glass. Once with your new home orientation, once you sign off on it, basically you're not gonna get the warranty on it. Here's your rip with the 6 panel here. Kind of gives you that modern design, very heavy on the door. You can appreciate that. You got 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings. This closet space right here. Okay, cool. Coming into the second bedroom here. This one seems a little bit dark because they just have a pre-wire for the J-box right above here. Now let's take a look. What do we have here? Closet. Not bad in the closet. Okay. Now this is going to be a quick video. Orange peel texture. These ones do have some blinds here. I'm curious to see if those are actually solid steels, but alright, let's come down this way. So we have our half bath for the guest. Let's see what this is all about. Again, you got a nice high vanity, 36 inches, beautiful quartz. You got a 4-inch backsplash, nice vessel sink right here. Kind of gives you that little eggshell look, which is, I think, is pretty cool. I was never really fond of these type of toilets. Let me know in the comments below if you like these toilets. You got the herringbone tile all the way up to the top. Again, you only have one light, just feels like so dark here. So that's something that I would definitely change. So we got some storage here. Coat closet, and off to the left, here's our utility closet, smart panel box. Again, we have the 48-inch and basically all our wiring to the home. And then it looks like they do have the Smurf tube. Oh, kudos to them. One thing that they did here was put an exhaust here, because if they throw a rack right here, which a home at this price point, you better make sure it is fully upgraded with smart home technology. So this is going to be your main living. As you can see, it's been cladded with tile all the way to the top. And they did the faux beams. Okay. Now with these faux beams, if you do have the option to add these faux beams, you need to make sure if you're going to do the lights are literally on that faux beams, okay? Because sometimes when they pre-wire, it may not be exact. Like this one, you have a J-box here. What is that J-box for? If it's for your ceiling fan, right, it's not down the center of this, so it needs to be down over here, right? So these are things that you just need to think about and kind of really figure out where your furniture is going to be. Also, because this is all open here, you may want some sort of lamp, or do you want some sort of like connection with your laptop, your plug for your computer as you're sitting down. You may not have a plug here, okay? So now you need to add that on here into the flooring. However, you can't do that at the design studio because some builders will send you to the design studio after your structural items have been picked and they've already pulled the permits to lay down the foundation. If that's the case, you're not going to be able to do a floor outlet. Some builders won't send out the permits to the county until everything has all been picked. So these are things that you just need to be aware of. So you have the full built-in here, which is definitely an upgrade and option that you can do. But now keep in mind, you may not be able to do all these options because they may not have that, because the interior designers here are a third-party company that does the interior designs. But they can give you that look that really matches, right? So here's your 2-car garage. Wow, I love how they did the epoxy on here. You got that marble look. But again, you guys know how much I do not like the color brown. But it's just really nice though. I can't wait to get my first custom home. Man, there's this one property. It's called the Cobalt by Toll Brothers. Only if I knew how high the market was going to go up. I could have bought this thing for 1.7. 1.7 million, full strip view. I mean, like that home today was probably worth like 3 million. It's just crazy. But you know what? The timing is just not right, and that's just part of life, right? Ooh, I love this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is like a 12-foot slide, I think. Let's rock this thing out. Let's count it out, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 15-foot slide, but it is not a pocket door. Okay. And I love the travertine. So you're not going to get that, but this is an upgrade. Unfortunately, we can't go outside, but look at the view of the strip, right? Gorgeous, right? You know, I may be able to sneak back there, so I might do that as far as like a mission. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll sneak back there for you. If I have to hop the fence, I will. Okay? Because I'm a gangsta, or I want to be gangsta. Here's your primary. I love what they did with that feature wall, which is really nice. I'm going to try to overtalk this music, just due to the fact that it is just like so... Is this thing even on? Oh. Uh-oh. I better not open it. But I mean, just take a look at the pool and look at this. Ooh, look at this. Jacuzzi. That is so gorgeous. Look at this infinity pool. Look at that. That's the kind of pool I want. I want to walk right into it. Now, keep in mind, you see that glass tile? Be careful. If you have kids, that could be very slippery, okay? So when you step into this, you need to step over into the Pebble Tech where it's more grippy on your foot. I love how the ceilings are high like that. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Wow. Bathroom is not bad. Not that fully upgraded. I think what I would do is, this is a very small bathroom, I'm going to say. Okay. I don't like the color of the tile, but that's just my personal preference. I felt like they could have did something with this room here, because just the way it's designed, it feels, for a home like this, right? I mean, it's 2,700 square feet. Don't take that for granted, right? But you would figure kitchen is important, bathroom is important, right? I'm not liking the layout. It's a little bit too unusable space, it feels like. Now we have a closet here, built in. Then you have another full built-in closet here, which is really nice. I love this. It's very organized, okay? Definitely some upgrades on the closet here. But take a look at this. This is what's cool. Come over here. This must be hers or his. Okay, his. But his option. Pocket door here. Pocket door here. Right into the laundry room. Look at this. Steam my clothes. Iron it. I mean, you definitely have some pretty cool options to this home. The thing about this is that I would say probably like 85% to 90% of what's included here I mean, what you get with the home as far as the layout and all that stuff, it's beautiful. What's killing me is this bathroom here. It's just way too squared out, and a home this size, and you want to keep this home more of a luxury home, you definitely need to open this up, you know what I mean? Just take a look at this. Alright, we haven't even looked at the kitchen. You have this upgrade on the island right here, because I'm an island boy. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Ooh, is this Gen Air? Ooh. Oh, it's a monogram. I should knew better by the handles, you big dummy. Oh, look at this. I don't know if I had this. I don't even know if I want to use this. Oh, look at this. This is so like dope. Oh my gosh. I think the favorite thing of my house right now is this monogram. This is awesome, guys. Look at this. Here's in convection. Alright. This is definitely an industrial. This is also convection too as well. Dude, look at the handles on this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is like, I think I like this. I like this better than the wolf packs. Dude, this is awesome. Love that. Alright, so we got full overlay European cabinets with some brushed nickel pulls. Okay, these are thermofolds with the, again, aluminum drawers. Soft closing cabinets. After a while with these thermofolds, this is what will happen right here. You see this? Because it almost feels like it peels off. Like the herringbone there. LED lights, that's definitely would be an upgrade. Also, what I like about this one is that you got the reverse tray ceiling with the LED light. Guys, if you guys do or install a tray ceiling, please add LED lights. So now if you do that, you got to pre-wire for that. Keep in mind. Quartz countertops, 42 upper cabinets, built-in refrigerator. Okay. Now this is not a counter depth, however, it's still cool. Let's take a look from this angle right here. It's gorgeous, huh? Blanca sink, undermounted sink. This is more of a rubber type of gooseneck here, but I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I like that or not. Let me know in the comments below if y'all like that. Dishwasher. Alright, so let's take a look at the formal dining. Really nice on the formal. But before we do that, let me see if I can get the pool over here for you guys. Yeah, look at that, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Gorgeous, right? Upgrade here. You would just have a window. Okay? There's a lot of things. Now, guys, I definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. I really do. Okay? About to end this video. Option upgrade. If you don't have a realtor, we definitely love the opportunity. Also, don't forget to tune in every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate and financing, get you up to date on the current Las Vegas housing market. Also, we let you know what new properties and new communities that are coming up in the housing market. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? I appreciate each and every one of you guys, truly from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.